My name's Helen John. I'm one of the founding members for the Sutton Repair Cafe. We're the sister repair cafe, and we work alongside the Ruskin Road Repair Cafe over in Carshalton. We were set up in 2022, partly through Sutton's Environment Champions network, because we wanted to make a difference. The Repair Cafe movement was established a few years ago now, and it's a way of channeling waste away from landfill and incineration, and to get people thinking more about the need to get items which can be repaired. The UK has one of the highest rates of rubbish that's sent to landfill and incineration, and a lot of that is driven by the fact that you can't actually get a lot of things repaired. We help people from all different backgrounds, and a lot of people come in because they're environmentally minded and they don't like the idea of wasting things, and they've got very much a make, do and mend mentality,